there's a swamp. Can't go around it, can't go under it. Better swim through it. All right, let's go.
Swim.
Oh look, there's a tree. Can't go around it, can't go under it. Better climb up it. All right, let's go. Oh, I see a house. It looked like haunted house. All right, let's go.
Okay, first down the tree. Okay, good.
Oh, it's dark in here. I see some stairs. Better go up them.
Stairs. Okay, go. Okay, come here, Guna.
Page 36. Follow the porcupine's picnic. Listening activity 40. Listen and sing.